Hello everybody, today I want to share a very quick video with you. Essentially this is like a video for me in the past, for me in the future, from the future, kind of to show and maybe help some of you to boost your, increase the amount of time you spend on building things rather than just doing the legwork. So what I have here is the connector called JST SM connector that I bought from AliExpress. I have a pack of 20 pairs. Its main purpose is that it has a very good connection when you just plug them in, and it has the locking mechanism, so you don't get the loose connection when they are plugged into each other. So here we are looking at 2-pin connector. There are more variants of it, so there can be like 3 pins, 4 pins, 5 pins, and more. So the main thing that this thing allowed me to do is to produce modules for quick work, for quick actions. So what you're looking at here is the TP4056 module, also one from AliExpress, that has this connector attached to some of the terminals, some of the pads here. And the main purpose of it is that I can quickly grab one. I have several things like this. So I can grab one, quickly plug the battery, the 18650 battery, quickly plug it in, and have a very easy to use, very quick to use battery connection that I can use in my projects. And also, as you can see here, I have this toggle switch that allows me to turn on and off the thing that is connected to it. So on one hand side, it's super, it may look very inefficient in like financial terms, but whenever, I'm super lazy person, and whenever I have this obstacle that doesn't allow me to move fast, I sometimes, I go to the rabbit hole, and more often than not, I don't finish my electrical projects if I have any major obstacle, like soldering a lot of cables together. So I usually don't keep these on my production version of the thing that I build. But for prototyping, if we are not talking about the breadboard, these are incredibly useful. So essentially, I don't know, I will put the screenshot somewhere on the video, how much these cost. But basically the advantage of it is that you can easily test your sizing hypothesis inside of some very small box, connecting everything together and seeing how parts fit together, and whether everything works as expected, so you don't have any shorts or anything. And also using the batteries. So this one is completely as I said in the previous videos, I really feel the danger as soon as I grab one of those batteries, one of the lithium batteries. I just can feel how much energy I hold, so I'm trying to keep things as safe as possible. So I have soldered here the one as BMS as well, and attached this JST connector to it. So I hope, guys, folks, you enjoyed this video. If you did and you found this information helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, if you didn't leave a dislike, and tell me in the comments what you didn't like. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.